If you are looking for a special Christmas present for your friends and family, in this video I have listed 11 cool tech gadgets from Amazon which are the coolest, futuristic, and highly rated. Number 1. Cheerble Cat Ball from meinno. No more scratched furniture now. You have a place where it's okay to give freedom to your natural instincts and work off your stress. Mom will love you even more. Meow. Key product features. Always happy. You chasing the tiny Cheerble ball through the maze of interesting holes keeps you active, fit, and engaged all day long. No more bored cats. All your meowish preferences in one place with Cheerble board game. You have everything you need. A ball to play with and a perfect place to exercise, nap, scratch, and, of course, chase your fluffy prey for many hours. Great for you and your cat friends of all sizes. The Cheerble board game is a one-size-fits-all toy. It's perfectly suited for your smallest kitty friends, as well as the biggest ones. Of course, excluding lions and tigers. Your self-rolling bundle of joy. This 100% automatic Cheerble ball rolls all by itself once you touch it with your nose or paws. No apps, no control needed. Number 2. Ceramic Backflow Incense Holder from SPACEKEEPER. The Backflow incense burner can be used with incense cones or incense sticks. Use the incense burner waterfall together with incense cone. The ceramic incense holder will arrive with upgraded cones which are longer lasting and better smell. The ceramic incense holders are all handcrafted. Number 3. Portable printer and photo scanner from KiiPix. Instantly print favorite photos from your smartphone. Compact and folds flat for easy travel. Just get rid of the red eye and then use KiiPix photo printer to scan those photos from your phone's screen right to the film. The KiiPix only requires Fujifilm Instax mini film and your phone to provide you with fun prints. Photo size 3.4 inch by 2.1 inch and image size 2.4 inch by 1.8 inch. Number 4. Wireless mini Bluetooth speaker from EWA. Impressive volume and bass. Mini speaker is conveniently small but able to releasing crystal clear sound with impressive bass and room-filling loudness through a high-performance driver and a passive subwoofer. Small, but such powerful Bluetooth speakers. Wireless streaming music or internet radio services such as Pandora and Spotify from your smartphone, iPhone, or other audio device with Bluetooth. Easy to carry. Weighing 6.2 ounces and measuring diameter 1.89 by height 1.54 inches. Along with the speaker, you will get a metal hook and a carrying case which allows you to take your music on the go and also protect your portable speaker from damage. So it is perfect for outdoor, hiking, beach, dorm room, kitchen, bathroom, boat, golf car, and more. Long battery life. The built-in rechargeable battery guarantees 5 hours of playtime and up to 8 hours at 50% volume. Just half an hour of charge time with 1 ampere charger equals 3 hours of playtime. Simple yet stylish design. Our vision was to make a small wireless speakers with Bluetooth that is just a speaker, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. We gave up functions such as a microphone, 3.5mm jack, and unnecessary buttons, leaving one silicone button, hold to switch on, off, one tap to pause, double tap or triple tap to switch songs. It is really a perfect gift. Number 5. Ticktime Pomodoro Timer from PIHEN. Timer has 6 preset timing intervals. The work timer supports dual mode, counting up and countdown. It is widely used and suitable for all aspects of your life. The Flip Timer for Kids adopts HD, LCD digital screen. Compact size and lightweight. Come with rechargeable lithium battery and equipped with USB-C charging port. Number 6. Portable Phone Microscope from DoawBang. An awesome gadget for kids and adults to enjoy the funny from Microworld. This can be perfectly applied to various brands of smartphones, microscope for iPhone, iPad, Android phone. This smartphone microscope consists of a phone camera, a pocket microscope, and a phone screen. Portable mobile phone microscope with 200 times magnification, 17.5 grams, 6 LED fill lights, 2 brightness modes adjustment. Number 7. Macro and wide-angle lens with LED light from Xenvo. Compatible with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops. TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens. Capture 45% more picture with every snap. Shoot stunning photos of people, pets, travel scenery, landscapes, architecture, selfies, and more. Claris 15x macro lens. Marvel your senses. Magnify nearby subjects for breathtaking, super close-up photos. GlowClip rechargeable LED fill light. The GlowClip LED light clips anywhere on your phone to instantly illuminate your subject and surroundings with warm continuous light. Quick-release lanyard and travel case transport and protect your lens kit. Perfect for taking your Xenvo lenses with you on the fly. Number 8. 3D printing pen from 3Doodler. The world is your canvas. Discover a new way to create art, design, and personalize objects. Get the best 3D drawing experience by only using the best and safest 3Doodler Create plastic filaments. Number 9. Moon Lamp 3D from Mindglowing. Beautiful and useful, so you get the best of both worlds. Moon lamps are lovingly wrapped in a unique signature packaging, each side a different moon phase. Realistic lunar surface, aesthetic craters, fun color options, long-lasting. Light your child's room or nursery with a cute night light. Leave it on the entire night if your little one is afraid of the dark. Comfort their sleep with a soothing glow. White heavy checkmark touch and remote control let you choose between 16 vivid colors, adjust brightness levels, and change working modes. Moon Globe will make your ambient fun, cozy, romantic, or peaceful. Looking for a unique present for the women in your life? Moon Ball will impress your girlfriend, mom, wife, best friend. Ideal for Christmas, birthday gifts, housewarming party, baby shower. Fly your loved ones to the moon, even those who have everything. Number 10. USB C Cable from AINOPE. Do you have many types of charging adapters in your home, which you need to match them with cables with different interfaces, resulting in a mess? Now, this Type A Type C fast charging cable solves all problems. Easy to carry and more convenient to use, one cord for all charging needs. With 2 additional USB-C to USB adapters, it has stronger durability than the extra matching. Compatible with most of laptops, tablets, smartphones with a USB Type-C port, or fits iPhone, iWatch, Watch series, use your Apple Lightning to USB-A adapter. Fast charging all USB-C devices. You can use an iPad charger fast charging to connect all USB-C devices. Super fast charger, 40% faster, compared with other cables which provide 5 volts, 2.4 ampere output. And data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. Fast charging up to 80% in 30 minutes. The maximum output current is 20 volt, 3.1 ampere, max, but you must use a power supply with the matching output of 18 watt, 30 watt, 45 watt, 60 watt. Right angle design, a better option than other straight angle USB-A C cable. Right angle design 2-in-1 fast charger USB-A C to USB C cable can effectively avoid the bending of the cord end and extend the life of the charging cable. Enhanced cable durability. USB to USB C cable iPad Pro charger has electronic safety certifications that comply with appropriate standards. It built-in laser welding technology, which ensure the metal part won't break. Number 11. Innovative magnetic phone stand from IMStick. Your phone's best buddy. IMStick is a new generation flexible magnetic phone holder and adjustable phone stand. It is the most versatile smartphone holder, mount and stand which can be attached to any surface for a universal hands-free experience with your device. IMStick is essential on road trips, at business meetings, when you do sports or studying music. Universal phone holder. IMStick magnetic phone holder offers more than 100 ways of use. You can use it as a ring stand for cell phone, automobile cradle, tablet mount, phone holder for stroller, shopping cart phone holder, golf cart phone mount, magnetic kickstand for phone, finger holder, tablet holder for airplane seat, and way more. High-quality materials and leading technologies. High-tech gadgets for men and women are made of lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum base that won't fade and not afraid of scratching. Silicon plates prevent damaging of your phone surface. 8 integrated neodymium magnets ensure a strong and secure grip. Can hold up to 2 kilograms. Compatible with any smartphone or tablet. Perfect gift. The simple, secure, and stylish design makes the IMStick a perfect gift for her, for him, even for children.
If you like to buy any of these products, please check out the links of the purchasing in description below.